yellow. I'm excited. I like the yellow ones. You ready? You want to hear it? Yeah. Can you hear it? Oh, look, you see it trying to get out? Watch it, it'll move. Maybe.
Yep, there it goes.
Yeah?
See it over here pushing out?
Let's look at the other one. You want to look at this one? Yeah.
That one there looks like it's fixing to pop the top off too.
This one?
Yep.
Yeah, there's another
Lift her
fucking
up.
black
Lift her up
one.
so she can see. Oh, come here. You can see up here.
You see this one? It's going to be a...
Look at that. Yeah?
I bet it'll be in the next 5 minutes when this one comes out.
Or less. I bet you had a couple minutes. Remember last night I said it was about 15, it was about 5.
Yeah, we'll leave that one down so I don't slap him on his back.
Hey, look, sticking out that one in the back.
Are you sure that's something sticking out and one of them didn't just poop on it?
Oh, no. It is.
I'm going to put this egg over here. That's going to stink.
Oh, an empty shell.
Yeah. That's good enough. This one. Let's listen to this one. Can you hear it? Get out!
That thing's just chattering up a storm.
Mm-hmm. That's another black one. Tired of all the black ones. I want yellow ones. Let's see. This one isn't doing anything else right now. Don't see any more that are back there.
That little yellow ones are cute.
I know, and we can dye the yellow ones. That's why I like them.